There are many health benefits of lemon fruit. Lemons are packed with numerous health benefiting nutrients. The fruit is less in calories, carrying just 29 calories per 100 grams, the value being one of the lowest for the citrus fruits group. Lemon's acidic taste is because of citric acid. Citric acid consists up to 8% in its juice. Citric acid is a natural preservative, aids in smooth digestion and helps dissolve kidney stones. Lemon water has many benefits. Lemon water aids in digestion and detoxification. Because lemon juice automatic structure is similar to the digestive juices found in the stomach, it tricks the liver into producing bile, which helps keep food moving through your body and gastrointestinal tract smoothly. Lemon water also helps relieve indigestion or ease on upset stomach. Lemon juice boosts energy and mood. Lemon water can boost energy levels without the caffeine crash. When negative charged ions like these found in lemons enter your digestive tract, the result is an increasing in energy levels. Lemon rejuvenates skin and body healing. The antioxidants in lemon water fight damage caused by free radicals, keeping your skin looking fresh. It also helps the body produce collagen, essential in smoothing out lines in the face. Because your body doesn't make vitamin C on its own, it's important to get enough of it from the foods and drinks you ingest. Vitamin C stimulates white blood cells production, vital for your immune system to function properly, and also protects cells from oxidative damage. Let us see one simple trick with lemon juice. Boil lemons and drink the liquid every day in the morning. Take 3 cups of water, 5 to 6 lemons and 2 tablespoons of honey. Preparation method. Cut all the lemons into halves and boil them in water for around 5 minutes. Let this water cool for some time. Now squeeze the lemon a bit and remove them from the water. Strain the water and transfer it into a cup. You can store the remaining water for later use. Add honey to this lukewarm lemon water and drink it. Drinking this lemon juice helps in digestion, it improves immunity, it boosts energy, it treats bad breath, it aids weight loss, and also it cleans urinary tract. It controls blood pressure and throat infections and improves the skin structure. So friends, don't stop drinking lemon juice. Enjoy lemon juice every day. Thank you.